Parish in southeastern Louisiana, northwestern Plaquemines Parish in southeastern Louisiana, west central St. Bernard Parish in southeastern Louisiana, east central St. Charles Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms across the warned area. Up to 0.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include New Orleans, Harvey, Timberlane, Marrero, Belle Chase, Chalmette, Avondale, Metairie, Jefferson, Gretna, Harahan, West Wego, Terrytown, Woodmere, Estelle, Arabi, Bridge City, Elmwood, Merrill, and River Ridge. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 510 between mile markers 2 and 3. Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 228 and 246. Interstate 610 between mile markers 1 and 4. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana. Here is the forecast.